Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question, that is 2707 extra characters in a string, and in this we'll be given a zero index string s and a dictionary of words dictionary, and we have to break s into one or more non-overlapping substrings that each substring is present in dictionary, and there may be extra characters in s which are not present in any of the substring, and we have to return the minimum number of extra characters left over if we break up s optimally. Okay, so for example, in this we are having leet's code and the dictionary is containing leet code and then leet code. So what we can basically do is we can break from 0 to this is 1 to third index, and we'll be having leet, then we can break code as well. We will be having code, and we'll be left with only one character that is not present in the dictionary, that is s. So our minimum answer comes out to be 1, but there may be multiple ways of breaking this. For example, in this we are having I hope, oh yeah, okay, so there might be a chance that we are having SCO in the dictionary and S as well in the dictionary, so it will be better if we break SCO and not only S. So basically we need to find all the possible outcomes for which we can get, and that comes out boils down to the DP. Okay, so firstly let's have a set of string of, let's call it dict only, that is equal to a new array list, oh sorry, new hash set from, let's convert it to arrays dot as list, and then let's pass a dictionary. Okay, and let's have a dp array and dp 1 ddp, so that is equal to new int of size is dot length, and let's fill this dp with -1, arrays dot fill dp comma -1, and then let's return the function that is find. And this will be having to pass s starting from the 0th index. Okay, then we'll have to pass the dictionary along with the dp array. Okay, and now let's write this function that is private and find. In this we are having string s, index int, set of string, dictionary, and the dp array, and okay, now the base case that if index int is equal to s dot length, we have to return 0, uh, return 0. Then we'll have to check that if dp of index is not equal to -1, we'll be returning dp of index. So return dp of index. Okay, and then we'll have our answer, so that will be initially equal to s dot length minus index, because we are considering that this is our best possible answer. Okay, and we cannot break any word further than this, any character or any word, let's say. And then we'll be to start running the string, and we'll be apparently checking for every substring that if it's possible or not. So for index I equal to int plus 1, I less than or equal to s dot length, because we need the substrings, and then I plus plus. Okay, and now we'll have be updating. We'll be firstly checking that if my dictionary dot contains my substring from s dot substring from index int to I, in that case I'll have to update my answer, so that will be equal to minimum of my current answer, comma, let's call the function again, that is find s comma I plus, we are already checking for I plus 1, I comma dictionary, and then memo, or the dp array. Okay, else I missed the semicolon, else we cannot break this word, so we'll be updating our answer as we are having basically two choices, that whether we pick or we not pick. Okay, so minimum of answer, comma, I minus int plus the find function, which it will return s comma I comma dictionary comma dp. Okay, and at the end we'll return dp of index is equal to answer. Okay, now let's give it a run. Compiler error, cannot find db. Perfect. Now let's give it a run again. Obviously Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine as well. Okay, so that's what for today. Thank you for watching.